Right, okay, time to build Johnny Thunder. Okay, this is a remake, so people were saying, of the original Johnny Thunder character. This one is set 60424 Jungle Explorer ATV. Thought I'd do this. It comes with the red panda, which is new, and Johnny Thunder, the character. So yeah, PC's 92, shouldn't take too long, year 2024. It's called Jungle Explorer ATV Red Panda Mission. Grab your map, walkie-talkie and camera, jump behind the wheel of the ATV and set off on a mission to find the wild red panda. Join the Explorer on epic jungle adventures aboard the tough ATV with its cool design and rugged tyres for handling jungle terrain. Dive into a world of jungle wildlife stories with Lego City. And I have built, if you've watched, I have built previous ones. I still have a couple more to build. I'll show you. We have, okay, we still got to build the truck and the plane. Okay, I'm taking it bit by bit, and Johnny comes in this one, but not in this one, and this one, and I have another one of these because I like the red pandas and I like the ATVs, so that's cool. Right, so let's get on with the speed build. Just want to say thank you very much for all the support from everybody commenting, liking the videos, and subscribing. We are kind of like stale right now with new subscribers, so I don't know what I need to do to get more subscribers. Let me know in the comments what you think I need to do to get up to that 2,000. Should I do a live stream of some small builds like this? I have got some polybags that I could build on live stream, or I could build a set on live stream. Let me know. I can't do it during the week, I can only do it at the weekends, so live streams would have to be at the weekends. Let me know if you think it's a good idea. Do you think I'd get more members? I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do different to get more members. Thank you very much. Going to do the speed build now. Right, well that was a quick easy build. Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it. Love it. Okay, so we have the red panda and his little rock formation with plants, which is kind of cool. You've got this, which means you can clip these onto the other sets that I built and the sets I yet to build. So you can clip them all together, but there's the red panda in all his glory. I like him, he's very, very cool. I love the print on the tail and on the ears, on the face. I mean, the face is really detailed. I love that. That's cool. Then let's get old Johnny out without taking his hat off, preferably, please. Okay, maybe not. Get. Okay. Right. So, Johnny. Put the hat on the right way around. Very, very cool print. I love the print on this. It's awesome. So there's his torso print with the red scarf, neckerchief, whatever you want to call it. Then he's got this sort of thing going down, which is supposed to be a bag, although there's not a bag there. And his face is kind of cool. It's only one side. He got like sideburns, tash. He looks really cool. I like him. Very good. And there's the back. So yeah, he's got pockets on his shirt. He's got the belt. And then the two things that he has are the map, which kind of shows where the red koala is. Sorry, red panda. So there's the map which he holds. kind of like a bit of a pain to get in, to be honest, but up. Okay, so there. So you can't really look at it, which is a bit of a shame, but whatever. And then he's got a compass, which I put on the back of the bike. A little compass, probably can't even see it, but that can go on his hand, so he can be looking to see which direction he needs to go in. Oh, get on. There we go. So there you go. Don't fall. Okay, so he's looking at his map, looking at his compass. Good stuff. Right, now the ATV. This is, I like it. Very cool looking ATV. I love the color schemes for this Jungle Explorer stuff with the orange and the blue. I think it contrasts really nicely. So on the quad you've got like a bumper here. You've got a headlamp, one spotlight, windshield. You've got kind of, I like these little mud guards, mud flaps. And then on the back you have his roll bar here to protect his head when he crashes. You've got the radio clipped into the back, as well as his camera, so he can take pictures of the red panda. And like little clips on the side. These are supposed to be for bags or something, but he's cool. It's very, very cool. And like I say, I kind of store that there, put the map there, and then put him in the driver's seat, and he's all ready to go. GG. All right, so that was a really cool build, really quick, really liked it. I'm going to be taking a holiday soon. I have a kind of plan. I'm going to talk to my friend Sarah about it. I was thinking of going on a tour around the south of Turkey, but going down the coastal lines. But I'm thinking maybe I can go, there's a couple of Lego stores. I can go to one in Adana, I can go to one in Bursa, and then go for my little holiday and do some little films of that for a couple of days, and then ride back up along the coastline. Not sure if you'd be interested in seeing it. It's kind of something to do with Lego, but not. But there's two new stores, one in Adana and one in Bursa, apparently, that are open. So it might be good to go pay them a visit, just to show what they've got, see what they got there, see how busy they are in those locations. Adana being the capital, so it should be pretty busy. A lot of people think that Istanbul is the capital, but it's not. I've never been to Adana. I have been to Bursa. I'm going to go to Fethiye area, maybe on the coast, because I do know some people down there. Stay a couple of nights, chill out. I don't know. I'm taking my laptop with me, taking my camera with me. I can do some uploads. I can do some videos. Let me know what you think. Anyway, set is awesome, very quick, very cheap, and I have two of them, so I can have two red pandas and two of these and put other figures in this. Thanks for watching the video, and I'm going to the Lego store right now. Bye bye.